So guys, this is how it looks. So after blending the onion, this is what the paste look like. This is what it looks like, very thick and smooth out. This is what it look like. I'm not going to use it as water because when you dilute it with too much water, you don't get the fullness out of it. So here I'm using the onion to put in my hair. In with this vitamin E oil. This is the only thing I'm going to put in there after the shampoo and condition. So all I need is a little. I don't need a lot because so all I need is a little. I don't need a lot because it's very strong. It smells sweet, so that onion smell will go and it let my hair feel very soft. So the front of my hair is short because I always cutting it. So I'm going to finish blow dry my hair and press it out, and yeah. So this is the back of it. I just comb everything back, right, and then this is the front, very smooth and nice. My hair wants some color, so the time is very hot. As you can see, I'm sweating. So what I'm going to do is just catch it up in a bun right now, but I just let it out for you to see, and this is how fluffy it is. So I'm just gonna catch it up in a bun, and that's it. I'm very hot, so what I did, I shampoo my hair 3 times. I saturate it with the onion juice. Well, I wouldn't call it onion juice because I didn't juice out the onion. I blend up everything and then put it in my hair. I leave it for about 35 minutes thereafter, and I put on a cap on it just for it not to drain down or anything like that. The reason why I use onion is rich in keratin, and you know the hair need keratin, and the hair is made up of keratin, so it's basically giving back the hair what it lost. It also acts as a strip because it strips off all the build-up chemicals off my hair, and you know, make it feel more straighten, because what I find out is straighten my hair. It will make it have a little bit of a coarse feeling when it's finished, because what happened, it kind of strip the hair just as if you did use apple cider vinegar and so forth. So what you can do is just use a moisturizer. What I did was using vitamin E that I show you in my hair. It feels really great, and I'm gonna color it in 2 weeks time. As you can see, my hair is not black right now. It have on dark brown, but my hair is number 4, and when it grow out it's number 4. I put on a number 2 color on it now just to tone it down, but I am going to put on black, or maybe bleach it to blonde. I don't know, my hair ends want to clip, but because it's me doing my hair, I just do that treatment just to show you. When I mean my hair is number 4, it grow black from root, and then as it grow to about 4 inches it start getting brown. I don't know if anywhere, the taller your hair get, the more the color changes, and that's what happened to me. So my hair end is always number 4, but I always color it to number 2 because I'm dark in complexion, and I think number 4 wouldn't like give me a lift. So sometimes I keep it to number 2, or I just flatten it back. But no, this is it. This is what it looks like. It's very light right now because of the oil that I put in there, but I love it. I love how it feels, and I hope my hair stays straight for a week at least. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.